In the previous video, we learned about the flat list component in React Native. We explored the essential props like data, render item, and key extractor. Now, let's learn some additional props that are commonly used with the flat list component. In this video, we will begin with the item separator component. This prop accepts a React component, rendering it between each item in the list, but excluding the top and the bottom. In our case, it is the perfect prop for us to replace the bottom margin we have on the card component. While the 16 pixels serves as a useful separator between the cards, it also introduces unnecessary spacing at the bottom of the list. By specifying a view component with a 16 pixel height as the item separator component and commenting out the margin bottom property, you will notice that the spacing between the cards is still maintained, but the extra space at the end of the list is eliminated. Generally, spacing is the most elegant way to separate list items, but you are free to customize the separator component to align with your design preferences. In summary, the item separator component renders a component between each item in the list, excluding the top and bottom. You can assign any React component or even a function that returns a React component. The function can receive specific props, allowing for more intricate styling of the component, but I will leave that for you to explore further when you have the time. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.